Hi folks, my name is Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Today it's my pleasure to show you this Newmar Bay Star Sport 3008. You got a very nice queen size bed, windows on both sides. This has the light wood interior, window in the back, storage up above the bed, plug-ins on both sides. Over here we've got a nice closet. 5 drawers underneath here, plenty of storage, nice TV. Here's your control for your slide out, emergency escape window. And then right here we've got a big long closet. This is the extra pad for turning the dinette into a bed. Plenty of storage here for whatever you want to put in there. Across the hall here we have a nice bathroom with the rounded shower. Gives you plenty of room. Look at all the cabinet space. Nice vanity. And across here is our dinette. You can see these nice accent lights up above. Drawers underneath. Try to give you storage wherever they can. This is a Newmar, built by the Mennonites and the Amish back in Indiana. 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, and 4-inch floor. One of the best insulated coaches on the market. It's going to stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Really well built. Ice maker up front. Oh, we got 2 ice makers. We got the new kind of ice maker, and we have the old-fashioned vintage ice maker. Storage up above. Microwave, hood with fan and light. 3-burner stove and gas oven. Storage up above the kitchen area here. Corian countertops. Take a look how deep, nice and deep those sinks are. Little kitchen window. Storage below. 4 drawers here. Across we have a nice couch. This is a quick conversion into a bed. If you see that right there, you can see how it just flops out and turns into a bed very easily. Okay, both these front seats turn around, all ducted in the ceiling because the ceiling is 6 inches thick, all ducted. Okay, even the slide has 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, and dual pane windows. That's what sets Newmar apart. They don't make their slides lighter or thinner or any of that. Okay, you got auto leveling on this coach. It's on a Ford chassis, Triton V10. Got TV up front here, more storage up above, backup camera and side cameras. Let's go outside and take a look at the storage out there. Okay, as you see, we're outside now. Full body paint coach. Storage underneath. That's a water tank right there, but they still managed to give you some storage on both sides there. There's your TV hookup. You got plug-ins underneath here. You've got your water tanks, holding tanks. They're all got sensors on the outside, so you get a true reading. Okay. Here's your generator, 4,000 Onan generator. Okay. And more storage in the back. Back here, you've back window in the bedroom, backup camera. Ladder on the back of this coach. Okay, your electrical hookup here. More storage, of course. Storage everywhere. Fuel tank fill right here on this side. Here's where you hook up your hook up the water. Okay, here's your dump station. More storage up along here. And here is your propane. Now, nice thing about these Newmars, when the slide is in, it actually fits flush right in here. So it's not pinching a gasket against the outside of the coach. It's actually flush inside here. Makes it quieter. There's less wind noise. And when it is raining, rain's going over the top. Okay, we move along here. You can see here's your side camera right here on this coach. Again, this is a 2019 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3008. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, call up and ask for a coach. That's me at Guaranty RV. My number is 208-250-8625. Give me a call and let's talk about this one or any other coach here at Guaranty. Thanks a lot.